All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto leverage trading. Hope everyone's doing well. We are looking at TradingView right now. We are at 37,421. I'm going to do a really quick video, a little beginner video. Again, refresh. Had a couple new guys reach out to me that have not been following very long. Just to do a quick video on the short time frames, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, how you can utilize those, especially on a day like this evening where you had short squeeze, and then you had that accumulate, that rise pump, if you want to call it that, all the way to 39,000. Then we've gone through a 2,000 basis point, backdraft, and now we're starting to climb back up. And how you can look at that by just looking at your 1, your 3, your 5. You can even use your 15. And kind of set your levels here as a beginner to kind of get some understanding, and then pop over on one of your exchanges to have a simulator, and then practice those trades routinely, especially in the late evenings if you have time, and just kind of test out how you're going. You obviously can use this for scalping, swing trading. Obviously, you can use it for 5 and 10x as well to get your dial in your entry points for a longer term hold, for a leverage play for maybe 5 days or 10 days. That's what a lot of us like to do. In terms that way, you don't have to dial in the market bottom or top exactly. You can play the RSI, and that's what I have open here. So right now we're an RSI level of roughly 50, and that is on the 1 minute. Okay, so that's smack dab right in the middle. For me, that's nothing really for me to want to look at in terms of an entry per se, just looking at that. Okay, keep an eye on this 345. We're going to pop open here to the 3 minute. Okay, the 3 minute as well, sitting at 50. Okay, the 5 minute is below 50. Okay, so it's at 46, and then let's open up the next 15 minute. So we got a 50, 50, 46, and then we're dropping down to 33 on the 15 minute. Okay, so on the 15-minute time frame, you can see here you're still showing overall weakness in this market. Okay, it has a lower RSI level. All right, and as you went back up towards the 1 minute, you had a higher elevated RSI because of what's been happening here. So what you want to do quickly is simply mark here, because that's your first number one short-term resistance level. Okay, you got that marked. Then you want to go here and mark your first level support level. Okay, and that's just on the 1 minute now. And so what you've created here is a zone. You've created a zone to trade on the 1 minute. Again, remember when we started this, we were at like 345. We're still at 343. We're going to watch. If you see here that Bitcoin consolidates, does like a baseline move, any doji candles that may pop up, any of those things, that would signal to you that there's going to be a change or a deviation in the current behavior of Bitcoin on the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. Okay, so you're still hovering here. Now you're above. Okay, and we're looking at this candle here. So you could go ahead and make your entry up. Okay, in this level here, in the 350, 360 channel, you're going to be in the middle of this on the 1 minute, depending on your exchange, within a stick. So you're going to watch that here, and that would signal to you. See, the 1 minute is above 54 now. We'll go to the 3 minute. You're going to watch how these have all shifted. Okay, because you have buying volume come back in. Has not played out yet, because obviously it starts the 1 minute, then moves to the 3, then the 5, then the 15, right? Because that's how everything correlates with one another. You start, and then everything comes down to a longer time frame. This is why when you use a longer time frame, there's more data and technicals to support that entry at a low level RSI. But in this case, you're swing trading or scalping. And you can see here now we're at 399, 400. So that scalp was a 50 basis point move from 350 up to 400. Now we're back. See how quickly that's going to think, because you're playing with that wick in that